launches the Power Plus, a new sensor electric hand dryer, also of high performance and with special features. Speed of the airflow over 500 kilometers per hour, drying in approximately 10 seconds. Curtain type air outlet to maximize the drying surface. Two versions: hot air or room temperature. Aspiration through side slats. White and black ABS versions of high quality and high resistance. Class 2, which allows to place them 60 centimeters from a water source. Protection grade IP23. Automatic stop security system. Low volume, under 69 decibels. Low consumption, universal 800 watts motor. Anti-vibration system. Antibacterial HEPA filter. Acoustic isolation. Electronic module in the base for easy removal. Compact and light, especially designed for high traffic areas.